कितना प्यारा प्यारा है समा, हो गए दीवाने।
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं आप।
दादीदार अजवर का पूरी कायनात नू।
Imli Kubani ki Chatney. Imli and Kubani dip in water overnight. Imli juice separate. Juice and Kubani both with water boiled well even soft. Take zira cumin, black pepper, black salt, dry fruit, what you choice. When well soft and cool, then grind in grinder. Look like a shake. Now take pan and oil, what you choice. Add cumin, zira. When shallow, fry at Imli Kubani shake. Well cooked sugar as per choice. Black salt and pepper add as per choice. Add food color 1 pinch. Well cooked dry fruit as per choice. Chatney ready, enjoy yourself. Tasty.
Recipe Imli Dry Aloo Bakara. Imli and aloo bakara soup in clean water overnight. After that, imli clean, seeds and skin separate. Take pan and black salt and black pepper, add in imli water. Aloo bakara boiled. Take separate suja as per choice, dry fruit as per choice, black pepper, black salt, food color cumin. When aloo bakara cool, then grind in mixer. Take pan, add little kokong all, add cumin, shallow fry and put aloo bakara imli water. Well cook. Add suja. Add black salt and pepper. Add food color. All well cook. Add dry fruit if you want, otherwise skip. Imli chutney is ready. Tasty.